Every year, this has become a routine for me to clean these rainwater gutters because the trees in my backyard fill these gutters with dead leaves and they clog these gutters, and the rainwater leaks down these spouts and it is killing the grass. So I've decided to clean this year and also fix this once for all. Went to a local home store and found these gutter guards, the cheapest option, and next to them are these metal ones. There are several varieties of these metal ones you can see, and these are expensive. I want something which is not so cheap at the same time not so expensive because I don't want to spend a ton of money on these filters. So I choose these Amerimax plastic filters which stop the leaves and keep the gutters clean. So first I removed all the dead leaves and now I'm trying to clean up all the dirt that comes to these shingles to make sure that nothing is in these gutters that would stop the rainwater once I install the filters. So the person at the home store told me that these go under the shingles and then snap onto the gutter, and they don't require any screws or any fastening. All I did was to tuck them under the shingles and then snap them to the gutters.